The Daily Code Snippet. This past week we took a look at the picture element and how it is different from the image element. The picture element is used in special circumstances where you may want to load a different image depending on the type or size of screen that your website is being viewed on. So it works with the image element as well as the source element. This functionality may be useful in certain cases, such as when art direction dictates that different image crops be loaded depending on the screen, when a modern image type is preferred that may not be supported by an older browser or responsive design. The media, source set, and type attributes on the source element are all used to help the browser determine which is the best fit for the circumstances. If it cannot use any of the images in the source element, then it will load from the image element as the fallback. The picture element will also use the other information from the image element to present the image, such as the alt text. Here is an example of how the picture element works with source and image. The source set attribute tells the browser what images are available, while the sizes attribute tells the browser how we want the images displayed. And the browser will choose the best option, and if it doesn't find one, it will display the image found in the source attribute of the image element. It will draw the alt text from the image element as well. Next week, we will clarify some things regarding the picture and image elements in the context of HTML5. Presented by Designers Learn Code.